This video is going to show you how to use RStudio to analyze a data set that has more than one variable. Usually most data sets have more than one variable and not just a single variable, as you will see in many places. So I'm going to put a data set into my RStudio. The data set that I would like to use is, I'm going to call it cancer, just the name to give the data set. And again, the symbol just says it's going to be equivalent to read.csv, and then this is the URL for that data set. You can now click up here and you can see cancer, and you can see it's up here. We have two variables. We have the survival and we have the organ that it was in. So this is survival time. This is how many months after somebody had treatment for the, treatment for the cancer that they had. And then this was for stomach cancer. This person had 124 days before recurrence. This person's stomach 42, and so forth. And you can go through the whole list. You can see all the different ones. Brachius is lung, and so forth all the way down. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to look at kind of how these all fit together and kind of see how they work. So we're going to do a graph function, and we're going to do a point function, and we're going to look at taking our survival time and then organizing it based on organ. So we're kind of dividing it up based on the organ that the person had. And I just realized I forgot something very important I need to start with. Cancer, that's the name of my data set, is going to be piped into. Now I can type in my graph function, and I'm going to take my survival. You're going to notice I didn't start with the tilde on this one because I'm going to put the tilde after survival because I want survival to be divided by organ. So that tilde in this case kind of says divide your variable, your quantitative variable based on this qualitative variable. And we'll hit enter. And now we can see that for breast, you can see what the survival times are. For lung cancer, how long the survival is. This is actually numbered days, I believe. Colon, ovary, and stomach. You're going to notice there was no title on it, so if you'd like to go back and redo this, I'm going to go ahead and take the cancer. Again, we have to tell it what data set we want, and then we're going to arrow up, and we can get what we typed in, and then we can put the title time is survival times 4 different cancers. And then if you hit enter, it'll now put that title on the graph for you. And you can see again, some people survival time was much longer with breast cancer than other people's. So then you can look at that data and see what information you get from it.